My name is Vineet Seth, and I'm the Managing Director for Mastercam India. Mastercam India looks after Mastercam operations for South Asia and Middle East. And I have my colleague with me, Dave.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dave Moskey, and I'm the Territory Manager for India, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. And I just want to say a few things that I've seen over the past years. I started traveling to India in 2005. The growth I've seen working with this team is incredible. I mean, some of the smartest people I've ever met in my life. The amount of work that gets done throughout India, educationally, in the industry, the growth of the company, the growth of the whole manufacturing community itself, I owe to these guys right here.
Thank you, Dave. I would just like to talk about what we do at Mastercam India. So Mastercam India is, number one in various metrics that Mastercam globally measures different territories on, and so we have a number one slot in 4 segments, is what I'm told. Right, Dave?
That's correct.
Wonderful. Looking forward to hear more about it. Nonetheless, Mastercam India specifically has been in operation for just about close to 8 years now, and we have grown by leaps and bounds during this period. Our customer acquisition is close to about 2 new customers every working day, which is close to about 600 customers a year. New customers is the acquisition. We are very fortunate to be present in the education segment in India, and nearly every institute, whether that's education, engineering, skills, or polytechnics or ITIs, the preferred solution is Mastercam, and we are preparing the future of India's manufacturing, and they'll all be on the Mastercam platform. On the industrial segment side, we are the preferred solution of choice for every manufacturer who does CNC machining. We are also upping the game with our hybrid machining solution, hybrid manufacturing solutions, which is the newest technology being offered by the machine tool ecosystem, and we have the perfect software solution for that. We are working very hard on hybrid machining, which includes subtractive and additive within the same ecosystem or the platform. So overall, I think India as a market has been growing tremendously. We were earlier a consumptionist economy, where the whole idea was that what India produces is what India uses. But now we have started exporting to the globe, exporting to the countries outside of not just India but Asia. So our exports are going out to Europe and North America and South America, and that is increasing our footprint. Uh, I also look after the territories of South Asia and Middle East along with India. And within South Asia, I think the 2 important economies are Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, which are again growing quite significantly. They have started contributing and punching above their weight, I would say. And we are present in these 2 countries and helping out manufacturers, in these 2 countries. In Middle East, the Middle East is an important territory from various viewpoints, and there are slightly different kind of organizations that operate there. Automotive is not that is done within the Middle East. Most of the vehicles, nearly every vehicle is imported. But advanced engineering applications, energy, aerospace, and even white goods, for example, are very strong sort of segments that we work in, that the countries have, and we are present in each one of them. We have a strong presence in the Middle East, but India continues to be the growth story, and the world is moving fast than we can imagine. Every exhibition that I've been to, there are newer technologies that we see that have come up, and we're very glad to see them and keep the pace up with all of that. In fact, not just this die mold, but I'm also looking forward to the upcoming IMTEX next year, where we would see probably a host of new technologies that would change the way we do manufacturing. With that, I would hand over to Dave for some final words that you might want to add.
Whenever we talk about growth of countries, it's always amazing. I'll lay out my numbers for India, and usually the first thing that people will come back and say is, "Are you sure your numbers are correct? It's impossible." The growth that we see in India is nothing less than amazing. And again, I will put it on our Mastercam team India, who do all the heavy lifting. And these guys are workhorses. They don't stop. They're the people we want on our side.
See, we love challenges. We love being the number one. We love supporting our customers to be successful. I think that's the simple mantra that we follow.